So we have that y is equal to u divided by v, where u and v are both functions of x. We can rewrite this as being u multiplied by v to the minus 1, and then we can view this as the product of two functions. And so if we write this out using the product rule, we get that dy by dx is equal to u multiplied by dv to the minus 1 by dx plus v to the minus 1 multiplied by du by dx. Now we can find dv to the minus 1 by dx using the chain rule. So dv to the minus 1 by dx is equal to dv to the minus 1 by dv multiplied by dv by dx. And dv to the minus 1 by dv is going to equal minus v to the minus 2, and then this multiplied by dv by dx. So if we substitute that into this from above, we get that dy by dx is equal to v to the minus 1 multiplied by du by dx minus u v to the minus 2 times dv by dx. Now, if we factor out v to the minus 2 from the whole thing, we get that dy by dx is equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx, all divided by v squared. And this is known as the quotient rule.